Let's meet today.
Let's catch up today.
I am very busy.
I am swamped.
I am very tired.
I am exhausted.
Sorry I fell asleep.
Sorry I nodded off.
It's very cold outside.
It's freezing outside.
Good luck, bro.
Break a leg, bro.
Stop wasting time.
Stop faffing around.
You are so lucky.
You are so jammy.
Keep it a secret.
Keep it under wraps.
Leave me alone.
Give me a break.
How are you?
How's it going?
It's not a difficult.
It's not rocket science.
I am fit and healthy.
I am fit as a fiddle.
I'm a bit busy.
I'm a bit tied up.
Are you mad?
Are you out of mind?
I like you a lot.
I'm so into you.
I intend to have a meal.
I'm going to grab a bite to eat.
Can you give me a hand?
Could you assist me, please?
I need to take a shower.
I must partake in bathing.
I'm running late.
I'm behind schedule.
What's up?
How are you today?
Let's hang out sometime.
We should socialize at some point.
I am going to hit the gym.
I plan to exercise at the gym.
Can you pass me the salt?
Could you hand me the salt, please?
I have to go grocery shopping.
I must procure groceries.
What are you up to?
What are you currently occupied with?
I'm not feeling well.
I'm feeling under the weather.
I'm not sure about that.
I'm uncertain regarding that matter.
I'm heading out now.
I'm departing at this moment.
Let's get together for dinner.
We should convene for an evening meal.
I understand you. I will pay.
I feel you.
I will pay the bill.
It's on me.
I'm very hungry.
I'm starving.
I don't know.
Beats me.
I don't have money.
I'm broke.
Let's meet today.
Let's catch up today.
Please keep my secret.
Mum's the words.
You have to decide.
Make up your mind.
I don't understand it.
I don't get it.
I made a big mistake.
I screwed up.
I'm listening to you.
I'm all ears.
Send me a message later.
Hit me up later.
Haven't seen you for ages.
Long time no see.
Nice to meet you.
Pleased to meet you.
I slept very well.
I slept like a baby.
I am very happy.
I'm over the moon.
I'm very tired.
I am worn out.
Very important.
Essential.
Can I come tomorrow?
Can I drop in tomorrow?
Why are you so angry?
Why are you so peed off?
She is very cute.
She is adorable.
The cat is sleeping on the couch.
The cat's crashed out on the couch.
She likes to read books.
She's into books.
They went to the park yesterday.
They hit the park yesterday.
We eat dinner at 7 o'clock.
We grab dinner around 7.
He listens to music every day.
He's always got tunes going.
The flowers bloom in spring.
Flowers pop up come spring.
I have a test next week.
Got a test next week.
She is wearing a blue dress.
She's rocking a blue dress.
They went swimming at the beach.
They hit the beach for a swim.
I drink coffee in the morning.
I grab coffee in the AM.
They watch movies on weekends.
They catch flicks on the weekend.
We cook dinner together.
We whip up dinner together.
He studies at the library.
He hits the books at the library.
The birds chip in the morning.
Birds chirp at dawn.
He rides his bike to school.
He bikes to school.
They visit their grandparents often.
They visit the grandparents a lot.
The rain falls softly outside.
Rain's coming down softly.
I walk to the grocery store.
I'm off to the grocery store.
They go hiking on weekends.
They hike on weekends.
He likes to play video games.
He's big into gaming.
The baby sleeps through the night.
The baby's out cold all night.
The sun rises in the east.
Dawn breaks in the eastern horizon.
My dog enjoys going for walks.
My canine companion relishes our leisurely strolls.
They play soccer in the park.
Recreational pursuits culminate in lively soccer matches.
The teacher writes on the whiteboard.
Pedagogical insights are transcribed onto the classroom's alabaster slate.
I ride the bus to school.
I avail myself of public transportation for scholastic conveyance.
She dances ballet on weekends.
She dedicates her weekends to the discipline of classical ballet.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons.